the sand of the sea, the joy of life felt in nature.